Hi, Paul Osborne, and welcome to the auction wrap-up. Just a little under 600 auctions took place, very busy weekend, and an 82% success rate, very consistent, so not too much difference from interest rates. I mean, they're levels that are so incredibly low, you wouldn't have thought they'd have much difference, and that's pretty much the case at the moment. Now on to some results. 1049 Drummond Street will start today with a pass in. Very, very good position down that southern belt of, the northern belt of Drummond Street. Incredibly good bijou, Edwardian property, very deep land. Passed in at 890, that was 1049 Drummond Street. Lowest offer of 915,000 and reserve of 965. So it'll be interesting to see whether that gets snapped up this week. There was a few drawbacks to that property, especially I think a block of apartments which was overlooking that backyard did sort of scare a few people off. 96 Delbridge Street in North Fitzroy. This single-fronted property went crazy at the auction. It sold for 780,000. Very, very strong result. It was really a 1.5 bedroom. It was unrenovated. It was on short land. Strong result. Quoted between, it was about 6 to 650 or 6 to 660, and that sort of sailed way over what everyone thought that might have made on the day. Also North Fitzroy, 37 Russell Crescent, 750 to 825 was the quote price. It sold for 915,000. This was a freestanding, solid brick Victorian home, quite a nice home. Not bad value. A good result too. Value for both buyer and seller in that particular result. And 69 Queen's Parade sold for $837,500. Queen's Parade and like Russell Crescent are both busier locations, so you have to factor that into your pricing, and certainly buyers are doing that on Saturday. Queen's Parade just next door, 86 Ramsden Street. That was a big result there. That sold for 1.28 million. That was on two titles. Property that needed work, but had, of course, the big land component in those two titles, which were extremely attractive. In Brunswick, an Art Deco solid brick property at 13 Haller Street sold for 880,500 against a quote price of 700 to 770,000. I think that was pretty strong. It was very strong, I should say. It was a home that had two townhouses at the back of it, so it had been subdivided. Low maintenance backyard, but very, very small. So not a traditional double front with your big block at the back. And once again, showing those strong results for Brunswick, especially in that southern belt towards Parkville and North Carlton. Last result for the day was over to Northcote, and that was 149 Beavers Road, which was a double front California bungalow, sold for 905 against a quote price of 750 to 825. So good, strong result there also. Whereas you can see in the inner north and surrounding, the better homes in the marketplace heading towards $1 million and above $1 million, certainly in general doing very, very well. We look forward to seeing you next weekend for the auction wrap-up.